guys, this is Trammer70 here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Wood Thomas and the Chinese Dragon. So here's the front, top, the bottom, side, the other side, and the back. Let's unbox Wood Thomas and the Chinese Dragon. So let's do it. Here's the Chinese Dragon, see, and Thomas. Let's take a look at Thomas. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, the back, and the bottom. It says New Year Thomas. Let's take a look at the Chinese Dragon. So here's the front, side, the top, the other side, the bottom. It says Dragon Cargo Car, the back, and the other side. Thomas wants well. Alright guys, that's it with the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.